we are going hands-on with August and Yale's new locking HomeKit products for 2020. What is going on, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we are at CES. We are checking out August and Yale's new HomeKit-enabled gear, which the biggest of which for me is this new August Wi-Fi smart lock. This thing is incredible. It is significantly smaller, 40% smaller than the previous generation August. It is now roughly the size of a doorknob, and you can see they replaced the knurling around the outside with a new gripping pattern that basically just screams, "Turn me." There's also an easier designator so you know if it's in a locked or unlocked position. We got to check it out in two different finishes. Both are metal and feel really nice. We have the silver model here, and there's also a black model. It's kind of like a matte finish that looks equally as impressive. That's sure going to fit into a lot of different interiors. Other than the huge reduction in size, the other big thing here is that it finally supports Wi-Fi natively, no need for that external Connect module. And the batteries inside have been replaced from AA's to CR123As. August tells me that their two biggest complaints that they heard from consumers with their original designs was their second biggest complaint was the Connect module. People didn't like having to plug that in to add Wi-Fi capabilities, and their biggest complaint was that it was just too bulky. People loved the lock, but they just thought it was too big, and August really nailed fixing both of those things with this new August design. This will be available earlier this year. It's going to be priced similarly as the August Pro Plus Connect module because it's again the same functionality just in this new smaller compact package. A few years ago, August was actually purchased by Assa Abloy, and it owns many other lock brands such as Yale, which is why we're going to see a bunch of new Yale products that essentially are bringing in the same August functionality. They're all built on the same code base and bring a lot of the same features. So we're going to start seeing that in a lot of these new storage options, and it's really kind of exciting because it's a new place that HomeKit really has not historically gone. So we're going to walk through all of those here. First up is a safe. So there have been other announced safes that work with HomeKit, basically just a smart safe that you can use with the different passcodes on there. You can see who's opened it based on the passcodes that have been entered there, and you can unlock it from your phone, ask Siri, all that, just like you can with HomeKit. The next one is a smart cabinet lock, which is a really unique option to apply to HomeKit and smart locks in general. Basically, it's a small mount that goes inside the cabinet door that locks it into place. It's very easy to use, very easy to control. You can lock up personal items, you can keep kids away from alcohol cabinets, anything like that. It's very easy to install, very small, minimalistic to put in there, and there is a safety button, so if a child would ever get locked inside, it's still easy to press from the inside to get out. Then finally, we have this new smart delivery box. They have partnered with Two-Step, which makes a lot of really great kind of plastic totes like this, and it allows it easily to get deliveries. So you can have a bunch of different configurations. It could automatically just be unlocked, and then the first time that it's opened and closed, it'll lock after that. You can get notifications within the app. You can unlock it via HomeKit and Siri, just like all the other August and Yale products that we've looked at in this video. This even works with the August keypad, so you could give your carrier a key code access to this, so they can press that in and then get into here to deliver packages. It's a really great way to get your packages delivered. And in case you're worried about this whole thing getting stolen off your porch, it can be bolted down, it can be chained down, and you can add sand into the corners to make it even heavier. So let me know what you guys think. Do you dig the new August products? I'm really excited for the new smart lock. Let me know down below in the comments or just directly on Twitter.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.